First, open the box and look at the accessory in the box. There are one piece transmitter and one piece receiver, 2 pieces lithium battery and 2 pieces biconing board, 2 pieces large 3M glue and 2 pieces small 3M glue, and 2 pieces charger. Second, install the battery. Due to the device has overcharge protection, the battery needs to be installed twice. After power on, there will be indicator light flashing 3 times at the transmit end, which means the power on is successful. The receiver will light up the indicator light and light up the screen, and the date displayed on the screen means the boot is successful. Please note, upload interval, passenger flow, temperature, and business hours will affect the battery power consumption. Third, network configuration. Please note, 1. The name and password of the Wi-Fi cannot contain special characters and spaces. 2. The network frequency supports 2.4 GHz only. 3. Network latency cannot be too high. 4. When entering the configuration page, it is better to turn off the data flow of the mobile phone to ensure the smooth access to the configuration page. 5. After configuring multiple devices or configuring multiple venues, you need to clear the browser cache and reconfigure. 6. When entering the server address and port number, pay attention to spaces and symbols. As following is the operation process. First, short press the left button to switch the page to start AP page, and long press the right button to start AP. Second, open the mobile Wi-Fi search page. Search for the Wi-Fi named HXYZ and connect. Third, access the device configuration page 192.168.8.1 with the default browser of the mobile phone. Fourth, after entering the page, enter the password 1234 and then select the first option, networking configuration. Fifth, enter the locally available Wi-Fi name and password on the network configuration page. 6. There is a server address at the bottom of the network configuration page. If you use our platform, you don't need to change it. Use op.washingoutout.com 8085 directly. If the customer needs to use their own server, the customer's server needs to be connected to the device. After that, enter the domain name plus port number in this position. 7th, after the configuration in the network configuration is completed, click Save below, and then the top of the mobile configuration page will prompt Save successfully. Please pay attention to the device screen prompt. When you click Save, the device will prompt to exit first, and then it will prompt configuration successful or failed to connect to the server later. Prompt configuration successful means that the network configuration is completed. Otherwise, it fails and needs to be reconfigured. If the device has been added on the platform after the configuration is successfully, the date of the device will be updated automatically. Fourth, installation and alignment. Please note, 1. The first time the device is turned on, the percentage match status will appear automatically. If it doesn't appear automatically, you can press the button on the left to manually switch to the non-press Start Matching page, and then non-press the button on the right to start. Second, code matching needs to be carried out during the business hours of the device, and the device doesn't work outside the business hours. Third, the high and low speeds of the receiver and transmitter should be consistent. As following is the operation process. First, paste the small 3M glue on the back hanging board. If you don't want to use this, you can install the hanging board on the device at the back and directly paste the large 3M glue and fix it as a hole during installation. 2. It can be measured by a ruler first at the back hanging plate of the transmitter and can be fixed on one side of the wall. 3. Fix the transmitter on the right side of the entry's direction. 4. At the same height on the left side of the door, the mobile device receives the infrared signal from the transmitter and confirms the position. First, fix the back hanging board of the receiver and then put it on the receiver. 5. As close to the wall as possible. When the percentage signal of the receiving end reaches more than 8% and the screen stays stable for about 3 seconds, the code pairing is successful.